Telling time using AM and PM in English. 8 p.m. The night unfolds. 2 p.m. The workday continues. 8:15 p.m. The night sky darkens. 5 a.m. The city starts to stir. 6:30 p.m. The dinner table is set. 12 p.m. The lunch hour arrives. It's 2 a.m. and the city sleeps. 8:45 p.m. The night is still young. 2:45 p.m. The afternoon ticks away. 1:30 p.m. The post-lunch energy dip. 10:15 a.m. The coffee break beckons. 9:15 a.m. The workday gains momentum. 5:30 p.m. The evening commute begins. 10:30 p.m. The night owls come alive. 3:55 a.m. The world sleeps peacefully. 3 p.m. The energy of the day wanes. 2:15 p.m. The coffee break rejuvenates. 9 a.m. The workday is in full swing. 8:45 a.m. The morning meeting wraps up. 4:45 a.m. A hint of dawn colors the sky. 4:45 a.m. A hint of dawn colors the sky. 7:30 a.m. The school bus arrives on time. 11:15 p.m. The city begins to quiet down. It's 3:15 a.m. A quiet moment before dawn. 11 p.m. The city's lights begin to dim. 3:30 p.m. The office buzzes with activity. 1 p.m. The mid-afternoon slump sets in. 9:45 a.m. The anticipation of lunch grows. 2:15 a.m. A time when the world is hushed. 2:15 a.m. A time when the world is hushed. 8:15 a.m. The rush hour traffic builds up. 6:45 a.m. The sun rises above the horizon. The morning sun shines bright at 6 a.m. 5:45 a.m. The early bird catches the worm. It's 3:30 a.m. A time when dreams are vivid. At 12:45 p.m. The afternoon stretches ahead. 8 a.m. The office doors open for the day. 7 a.m. The world awakens with a sunrise. 11:30 a.m. The midday sun reaches its zenith. 8:30 a.m. The morning sun casts long shadows. 7:15 a.m. The morning rush to catch the train. 11 a.m. Halfway through the morning hustle. 11:15 a.m. The late morning sun warms the day. At 12:15 p.m. The lunch rush is in full swing. At 12:15 p.m. The lunch rush is in full swing. 7:45 a.m. The morning commute is in full swing. 8:45 a.m. The commute to work is in full swing. 12:45 a.m. The quiet before the midnight storm. 4 a.m. A serene hour before the dawn chorus. 6:15 p.m. The evening joggers hit the pavement. 2:15 p.m. The afternoon sun casts long shadows. 1:45 p.m. The afternoon hustle is in full swing. Noon strikes, and the sun is directly overhead. Noon strikes, and the sun is directly overhead. 12:30 a.m. A quiet hour before the world awakens. It's 6:30 a.m. Time for a refreshing morning jog. The clock strikes 8:30 a.m. Time to start the day. Midnight strikes, marking the start of a new day. At 11:45 a.m., lunchtime is just around the corner. 10 p.m., the late-night news takes center stage. 10:45 a.m., the mid-morning coffee break approaches. 6 a.m., the first rays of sunlight paint the sky. 2:45 a.m., a peaceful time in the quietude of night. 12:15 a.m., a solitary moment before the world sleeps. 3:45 p.m., the school bell signals the end of classes. 2:30 p.m., the sun casts long shadows in the afternoon. 2:30 a.m., a peaceful moment in the middle of the night. 12:30 p.m., lunchtime conversations fill the break room. 12:30 p.m., lunchtime conversations fill the break room. 6:15 a.m., the aroma of brewing coffee fills the kitchen. 12:30 p.m., the lunch break provides a moment of respite. 10:45 p.m., the night settles in, and the day winds down. It's 5:15 a.m., and the daybreak sky is painted with hues. 7:30 p.m., the evening skies turn shades of orange and pink. 1:30 a.m., a time when only the nocturnal creatures are active. 3:15 p.m., the afternoon sun bathes everything in a golden glow.